Good morning, guys. As you can tell, I'm feeling a lot better. Actually, you don't know about that. So after I closed the vlog, we ate some of the dip, and I still hadn't drank very much, I tell you. And I just started feeling so sick, like a little bit nauseous, mostly just a big headache, and I was just like frazzled. So we went to bed, and Duke and I slept down here again, which was fine. Like, we slept pretty good tonight, and now I'm just tired. But we went to Starbucks, and I got a turkey bacon and egg white sandwich with no cheese, because yuck. I just don't like when other people put cheese on things, because I'm too picky. So good. My mom just left. We just said goodbye. And yeah, so it's been good. I'm gonna do some more cleaning and just like do things around the house. Like, I wanna do the carpet cleaner that we got, which I don't think I talked about. But we grabbed the carpet cleaner from Riley's parents' house, and I really wanted to do it before my mom got here, but we didn't have time to do it and then let it dry. So I'm gonna do it today. Riley, then his team lost another game today, so they're out now because it's double elimination. So they are gonna get ready soon and come home. It's about a 5.5 hour drive. So I'm probably gonna clean and just like hang out and enjoy Duke, and he's gonna rest. And I'll probably start the carpets like pretty soon and then let them dry for a while. And Riley and I can hang out here, or we can go to his parents' house so that there's more time to dry.
2 hours later.
I cleaned the carpets of our upstairs bedroom and Riley's like room, the guest room where his closet is, but it's the guest room. So therapeutic, oh my gosh. I feel like a new woman. Like, our house smells like a pool, but like the good kind of pool where it's super clean. So like you can just kind of smell it. I like took the, what the heck is it called? The screens out of our windows upstairs and wiped the outsides, wiped the insides. The carpets got shampooed. And basically all is just right in the world. We're very happy today. I just went to Walmart, should have vlogged that, got home, and I was like, screw. I was thinking about making a separate video showing you guys the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies that I'm gonna make. I love these and they're so good. So I wanna show you guys. And I was gonna, since I already ended the vlog, I was gonna make a separate video, like just a bonus video, and upload it tomorrow, which I don't normally upload on Sundays. But instead of getting all of that out, and instead of doing all of that, cleaning everything so that the video looks good, I'm just gonna show you guys vlog style. And if you want to know the recipe, it's linked down below. If you wanna actually see me do it, or if you want to see recipe videos, then let me know. But that's definitely not my forte. I like baking and I like cooking, but I'm not like unique when I do it. I just follow a recipe that I find on Pinterest, so I don't really like take the credit anyways. Plus, I'm watching the Great Food Truck Race, which I've watched so many shows on Food Network today and this weekend. It's been so glorious. I'm just blabbing your ears off now. Apparently I had a lot to talk about. But we have a TCL Roku TV, and so we can download apps onto our TV. And so I downloaded the Food Network app, and all of the shows were on there, and it's so good. I love it. So, oh, there we go. Woohoo! So, anyways, that's gonna be playing in the background, but I'm gonna link the recipe down below and kind of just show you guys like a sped up, kind of quick version over you. So, first things first, I got this for Duke. It makes him look like a little aviator. It was $1, so I got it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so you need semi-sweet chocolate chips, baking soda, baking powder, pumpkin puree. That's not all, but that's all the ingredients that I bought from the store. Everything else is like cinnamon, salt, sugar, flour. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm making bigger cookies. So I already have one batch in there and this much is left. And I definitely did 2 cups of chocolate chips instead of 1. But let's see if we can see them. There they are. So I'm making bigger cookies, like I said. I just think they're more fun to eat than like medium or little ones. So I only have 6 in at a time. I'm still following the same amount of time to cook it, like it said, even though there's less cookies in there, because the size is still the same. So hopefully it'll work out. I'm gonna have to see where Riley is to see when we can get him, because if he's here before 7, then we'll probably go out to his parents' house and watch the Patriots game. So I'll show you guys when the cookies are done. They smell so good. Oh yeah. Woohoo! They look so good. Okay, probably like 3-4 more batches to go, but it only took 10 minutes. They look, oh, they look perfect. I'm so excited. And they're kind of brown on the bottom. I promise they look way browner in the video than they actually are. But I think it's because my oven gets too hot at the bottom. So I turned it down a little bit. And I did less time. I did like 9.5 minutes instead of 10. The insides are perfect. It's not burnt or anything. They just got a little brown because the pan is getting too hot. 10 minutes in the oven, 9.5. Perfect. Oh, they are so good, you guys. So excited. Okay, I'm sorry about the quality and the lighting, but it is now Monday night. It's almost 9 p.m. I promise I'm not bald, I have a bun. And I'm going to the gas station right now. Riley doesn't feel very good. I didn't vlog when I went and picked him up, and then we went straight out to his parents' house. So obviously we didn't vlog then either. So I didn't finish the video, and now I'm out getting him some stuff. He doesn't feel very good since he came back from his tournament. He probably just was already fighting something and then playing basketball for 2 days, like 3-4 games a day, high stress, low sleep. He probably just, his body's just giving in a little bit. So I'm gonna go get him some Gatorades and a Sprite, maybe a little treat, and hope I can help him feel better. So yeah, I wanted to take you guys with me before I end the vlog. I don't know where you guys live. Tell me what state you live in. But where I live, Maverick is the best gas station. And luckily there's some near us, so that's what I'm going to. Hi. This is the flavor I came for. Icy Charge. Glacier Breeze. Okay, I got the goods. They didn't have the flavor that I like, but they had the flavor Riley likes, so I just got 2 of those. Got a Sprite, and then I got us each bag of candy.